Why does everyone fear him? They say he's cold, ruthless, like he doesn't feel anything.
Because they only saw the storm, not the silence before it. They never knew the man who was broken, betrayed, left for dead. And when the world tried to crush him, he rose stronger than any enemy, forged in pain, driven by purpose. He doesn't chase glory. He is the answer to every war they ever started. And now, he's coming back to end them all.